All right, let's talk LED light bars for your truck. I've been testing these things for years now, and honestly, most of them are complete junk. They either burn out in 3 months, have terrible beam patterns, or they're so poorly made that water gets inside after one rainstorm. But these 5, these are the ones I'd actually put on my own truck. All the links are down in the description with current pricing. Let's get into it. Number 5 is the NAEO-VO 12-inch LED light bar. Turns out, it's actually pretty decent for the money. Here's what you're getting. One 12-inch main bar and 4 separate 4-inch pods. 5 individual lights total. The flexibility here is what sold me. You can put the main bar up front, mount pods on your A-pillars for corner lighting, maybe throw a couple on the rear bumper for reverse lights or work area lighting. You're not locked into one configuration like you are with most kits. Total output across all 5 lights is 54,000 lumens. Now, take manufacturer lumen ratings with a grain of salt because everybody lies, but in real-world testing, these are genuinely bright. They use 180 SMD 3030 chips spread across all the lights. The triple row design gives you a 15-degree spot in the center that throws light way down the road, and then 120-degree floods on the sides that fill in everything around you. Something I really appreciate is the cooling system. Each light has 10 fans on the back. Yeah, that sounds excessive, but here's the thing. Heat is what kills LEDs. I've seen expensive bars from big-name companies fail because they didn't manage heat properly. These fans keep everything running cool, which is why NAEO-VO rates them for 50,000 hours. Will they actually last that long? I don't know. I haven't had them for 50,000 hours yet. But after a year of use, they're still going strong. IP68 waterproof rating means these are sealed tight. I've pressure washed them, driven through deep water crossings, left them outside through winter storms. No moisture inside, no issues. The adjustable brackets let you aim each light independently, which is huge if you're mounting them in different locations. You want the front bar shooting straight ahead, corner pods angled out, rear pods pointing down for work lighting. All of that's possible. Number 4, Nilight ZH002 20-inch LED light bar. This is the one I recommend to people who just want everything to work without overthinking it. My neighbor asked me what light bar to get for his Tacoma, and I told him to buy this one. He had it installed in like 45 minutes and loves it. You get a 20-inch bar putting out 126 watts, 2 4-inch pods at 18 watts each, and a complete wiring harness with a 3-lead setup. 1 harness, 1 switch, 1 circuit. Everything's plug and play. Open the box, bolt it on, wire it up, done. The main bar is a spot flood combo, so you get distance and width in one package. The pods are spot beams, which makes them perfect for corner lighting or running as ditch lights if you mount them down low. Brackets adjust 45 degrees up and down, so you can dial in your aim without having to remount anything. Just loosen the bolt, tilt it where you want it, tighten it back down. But here's the real reason I like this kit for most people. It's the right size for mid-size trucks. A 42-inch bar on a Tacoma or Colorado looks stupid. It hangs over the edges, doesn't fit behind the grille properly, just looks wrong. This 20-inch bar is perfect for those trucks. Fits behind the grille, fits on the roof rack, doesn't look oversized. The trade-off here is power. At 126 watts, this isn't the brightest bar on the list. It's plenty of light for normal off-road use and night driving, but if you want to turn night into day, keep watching because we've got brighter options coming up. Number 3 is LastFit 42-inch LED light bar. LastFit isn't some random brand that popped up on Amazon last month. They've been making automotive lighting for years, and they specialize in truck and Jeep applications. This bar is designed specifically for Wranglers, Cherokees, Gladiators, F-150s, Explorers, Rangers, and Rams. They actually tested it on these trucks to make sure the mounting works, the wiring integrates, and it doesn't cause electrical issues. The spot flood combo beam pattern is really well tuned. No weird dark spots, no harsh hot spots, just even light distribution with good distance and good width. I've used bars that have this dead zone right in the middle, or super bright spots that are actually distracting. LastFit got the optics right. IP67 waterproof rating, so it's sealed against water and dust. Not quite as extreme as IP68, but it's more than enough for rain, mud, snow, whatever you're driving through. The aluminum housing is solid, and the lens is thick polycarbonate that can take a rock hit without shattering.
The price is a bit higher than some alternatives, and they don't plaster huge lumen numbers everywhere like other brands do. But if you want something from an actual automotive lighting company that's designed for your specific truck, this is a solid choice. It's not the cheapest, but you're paying for engineering and fitment, not just LEDs in a box.
Number 2. Nilight 42-inch curved LED light bar. I've recommended this bar to probably a dozen people at this point, and every single one of them has been happy with it. The curved design actually serves a purpose beyond looking cool. It extends your side illumination and reduces blind spots. When you're moving fast on trails or back roads at night, being able to see what's beside you is just as important as seeing what's ahead. The curve helps with that. 240 watts from 80 high-intensity 3-watt LEDs. They're producing 6,000 to 6,500K white light, which is that pure white color that doesn't have the weird blue tint you see on cheap bars. This is the color temperature that's easiest on your eyes for extended night driving. And it comes with everything. Full wiring harness, 14 AWG wire, 5-pin rocker switch, relay, inline fuse, all of it. This isn't some cheap add-on harness you'd buy separately. It's proper gauge wire with quality connectors. It works on any voltage from 9 to 30 volts DC, so whether you've got a 12-volt system, a 24-volt diesel, or anything with voltage fluctuations, this bar handles it without issues. IP67 waterproof, which means it's sealed against water and dust. The rubber seals and potting compound keep moisture out. I've had this bar on my truck through 2 winters now, and there's zero moisture inside, zero corrosion, still works like day one. Number 1. Auxbeam 20-inch 420-watt LED light bar. 6 different modes: white driving light, amber fog light, white and amber together, white strobe, and white and amber strobe combined. You're getting 6 completely different lighting setups in one system. Here's why dual color matters. White light is perfect for clear weather night driving. You get maximum visibility, maximum throw distance, everything looks natural. But the second you hit fog, rain, or snow, white light becomes your enemy. It reflects off all that moisture in the air and blinds you. Amber light has longer wavelengths that penetrate through fog and precipitation without bouncing back in your face. This isn't marketing hype, it's actual physics, and it works. The memory function is something I use constantly. The system remembers whatever mode you were using last, so when you start your truck, it comes back on in that same mode. You're not sitting there cycling through options every single time. And if the lights somehow get out of sync, there's a reset function built into the controller. Total power output is 420 watts from the main bar plus 240 watts from the 2 pods. That's 660 watts combined. When you flip this on in full white mode, it's legitimately like daylight. Those 2 pods give you serious flexibility. Run them as corner lights to fill in your blind spots, mount them low as ditch lights, put them on the rear for work area lighting. The main bar handles your primary forward lighting while the pods go wherever you need them. The install takes a bit longer than a basic single color bar because you've got the mode controller to mount and a few extra wires to run. But once it's in, you've got a lighting system that adapts to any situation. Clear night driving, foggy conditions, off-road work, emergency signaling with the strobes, whatever you need. All the Amazon links are down below with current prices. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.